Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to see Facebook password on iPhone and iPad. Recently lot of iPhone and iPad users to say how to see Facebook password on my iPhone. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now the solutions number 1 is see Facebook password using the Gmail. First of all, open the Gmail applications from the iPhone home screens and log in your Gmail account. Here tap on the profile at the right hand side corner and tap on the manage your account. In this section, scroll down and also find out the security option. In the security, now again scroll down and find out the password manager options available. Tap on the password managers and here you can see also Facebook account password on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 2 is see your Facebook password using the settings app. Now first of all, from the iPhone home screens, open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and find out the password option. In the password section, top corner search bar, in search bar search Facebook. Here you can find out the passwords of the Facebook account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.